Managing devices on YouTube TV is essential for keeping your account secure, freeing up streaming slots, and preventing login conflicts. YouTube TV doesn't give you a direct device list inside the app, but Google provides a powerful tool to manage every device linked to your account. Here's the clean, simple guide. Start by opening myaccount.google.com/device-activity on your phone or computer. This page shows every device that has recently accessed your Google account, including smart TVs, Roku sticks, phones, tablets, and browsers connected to YouTube TV. Look for any device you don't recognize or no longer use. Click Sign Out next to it. This immediately disconnects that device from your account and removes its ability to stream YouTube TV. If you're trying to free up streaming slots, go to myaccount.google.com/security and scroll down to Your Devices. Here, you'll see the full list of active logins. Signing out of unused devices can stop unexpected stream limit errors on your account. To remove access completely, change your Google account password afterward. This forces every device to log in again and ensures only your approved devices reconnect. If you share your account using family sharing, each member controls their own devices. You can't manage theirs unless you remove them from the family group entirely. By regularly checking your device activity, you keep your YouTube TV account clean, secure, and running smoothly.